Hello guys, this is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 6th of April 2023. Thank you so much for coming back here. Thank you so much guys. Right, so yep, we are back here once again. Okay, now let's see what do we have here, right? Hi Bradley, hi JJ, Marcus, nice to see all of you here once again. Thank you very much. Well, yesterday, let's take a look. Currently I'm on pound dollar. So let me take a look. Yesterday we were talking about the dollar yen, right? So dollar yen yesterday, well, let's see. Okay, dollar yen, yep, it clears off all my targets here and it actually went down into this area, which this area is one of my targets here. Hopefully it can clear off furthermore. Okay, Dobro Jutro, Caro, nice to see you here. Well, yeah. So yesterday, we were talking about this. I think we're talking about 133626, right? Something like this. Okay. So yeah, it managed to clear and it hits the low of 1334. Well, okay, 20 pips lower. Well, anyway, I think it's good. So far, I think so far so good. So far, we managed to get this. Anybody? I hope somebody will get this as well. All right. Well, today is a fresh new day. So let's see what we have here. And same thing. Okay. Today I will still be going on my live streaming for 2 hours. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully today the voice will be good. All right. Okay, I'll get my IT guys to work on it over the weekend. All right. So you have to bear with me for these 2 days. Well, anyway, well, things seems like still working on very good. Okay, so far, okay. Yes, hi Sabrina, thank you for coming in. Yep, and also, yes. Yes, hi Riano. Good morning to you. Yes. Yeah. We should be looking into this. Let's take a look. What are the currency pairs that you guys are looking at? Do let me know. Okay, do share with me. All right. And also, tentatively by looking into this, okay. Right now, by looking into this area here, right, seems like it's going to form some downward trend. Well, let's see if there's any breaking of the structure. All right. Hi Western, nice to see you here. It's been a while. Yeah. Okay. How's your workout? You get stronger? Yeah, I'm good. Yes, thank you so much. Yep. I rested for about 2 weeks on my vocal and now getting back here again. Okay, so hopefully, yeah, okay, so right back here with all of you, yeah. Yes, once again, over at this point here, I would like to take a look, you know, what, today be looking out into this area here, that there may be a chance that, that dollar yen may be, I'm looking out more on the buying side, okay, more on the buying side here. And this buying side probably is looking for a reason. Okay, so still there are plenty of area to clear. Okay, so that's one, right? So hopefully, well, is there anything that I was talking about hopefully the voice doesn't break out. Okay, yeah, let's bear with me. Okay. this area. I'm looking into this. Okay, so hopefully it's back here. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Right, guys. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Thank you very much for your patience. All right. So sorry about that. Yes. Okay, I'm back. Hi, Roshan. Nice to see you here. Thank you so much for coming in. Yeah. I think we have a connection. We were with too many connections to many platforms. I'm not sure if the current streaming platforms able to handle. Yeah, I'm trying to push the limit. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's come back here. Currently, by looking into this, by looking into this, over here with this dollar yen, right? Dollar yen generally by looking into this area here, right? So yesterday we plotted this area, am I right? Okay, so it actually went down during the New York session. It went into this area here, but it still hasn't cleared off the whole area yet. So I still see potential that there will be a chance that it will start to clear off this area. So, well, maybe, yeah, there may be a good chance there. So I'm still waiting. Okay, I'm still waiting to see if there's a good chance to clear off everything. But by looking at this, yesterday has tested into this area here. So currently, I will be looking into the price maybe still escalating up to look out for a resistance. So highly likely, I'll be looking into this area here. Okay, as we can see, right? So to clear the resistance, then if the resistance able to hold it down, then maybe a good chance and a better space for us to sell down the dollar yen to take this area. So yesterday we were talking about this area is about 99 pips to 100, correct? So now if we are talking about this area here, probably we are left with about 70 pips. Okay, so let's see if the resistance able to hold it down, then there will be a good chance that we will be selling down. Okay, all right. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, guys, and there's one more thing about my Discord. Okay, about my Discord. Yeah, so I have my Discord downloaded and set up the account. Okay, how should I actually share with you my ID that you all can join in? Right? I don't know. All right, I don't know how to use it. Okay, anyway, I'm still figuring out. Okay, so let's come back here. So I'm waiting for tentatively. I look at the current situation over here with dollar yen. Right, dollar yen. The selling down was from yesterday, and today it seems like quite flat. Right, seems like it's actually quite flat in a way that there isn't any good chance for us to. And currently, there isn't any good chance for us to go for any buying or selling. Okay, so I won't be taking any trade at the moment. Right, at the moment I won't be taking any trade yet. Right, so I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for a good chance. All right, so tentatively, let's see, because tentatively we are still within the Asian market right now. So let's see if later on, if it's able to clear off, well, then there may be a good chance for us to decide where to go. Okay, right. So let's move on. I will be moving on into pound dollar, and I see some questions here. Right, pound dollar. So pound dollar over here yesterday, has also have a very good drop over here. Then after that, it started to escalate up. Now it's quite flat. Now it seems like it's actually more onto the reclamation. Okay, I will see that it's time to reclaim. All right, the selling was here yesterday. Okay, yesterday was a very good selling for the pound dollar. Seems like today it started to reclaim back. Okay, so I'm actually looking into the support. So now it started to go up again. So more like we are very near to one area here, right? So now we are right on the resistance right now. Okay, so yeah, I have to probably may want to hang on for a while. Seems like today a little bit flat, am I right? Okay, yeah, so I'm better be more patient. Okay, before anything can happen. Yeah, let's take a look. Do we have any super news? No, that will be tomorrow. The unemployment claims for end of April. Okay, then Friday we have a BOJ. All right, so outlook report. Other than that, we have German CPI. Yeah, Friday quite a choppy day. All right, so well, I think whatever it is, okay, we have to stay alert, vigilant. Okay, we have to, yeah. well, well. Seems like okay, and we may need a little bit. We may need a little bit of this. What is this? Okay, yeah. Well, let's see if there's a chance. Okay, let's see if there's a chance. Yeah. All right, and Well, guys, do you have anything that you want to share with me? Okay, so that we can also take a look together, right? Yeah. So I think that will be good also. Yeah. Let me see. Will this help? Okay. Okay. Hopefully it's good. Okay. Hopefully it's good. Okay. Aha. Now what? Now what? Dollar yen. Dollar yen should be looking out for the buying right now at the moment. Okay, at the moment should be looking out for buying. As I can see, it should be buying. Oh my god. Okay, the buying started this over here and started to push a little bit. Now we are looking into this area here. Okay, I think this one looks good. More onto this level. Yeah, more onto this level. So tentatively, looks like there's still about 20 pips of space to go. Yeah, looks like there's more. There's still about 20 pips of space to go. Okay, let's see. Yeah, about 22 pips of space to go. Right. Yeah, and for the goal, yes, for the goal, let's take a look. For me, in terms of the goal wise, let's take a look. As for the goal, let me check. Goal wise, looks like there's one level here. There's one. Yeah, I think over at this point here, the goal. There's one. Yeah, not balance here. Huh? Okay, let me see. Let me see. As I can see here, one, two remaining over here. Break of structure, forming us via high, higher lows, and over at this point here, looks like currently the goal is escalating to look out for the resistance up there. Right, so it may be, yeah, it may be okay. Maybe it's that may be one point. Okay, that may be one point that we should be looking out for. Right. 2017. Yeah, 2017 is maybe that may be one of the point. Okay. 2017, that may be one of the point that we may be looking out for if you are buying. Okay, if buying, the 2017 is one of the point I'm looking out for. Okay, yeah. Well, looks like today. Looks like today is a little bit of what should I say? It should be a little bit boring. Yeah, a little bit boring. But then I think probably we have to wait for the second half of the day. Huh? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. For dollar yen, yes, Sabrina. Dollar yen. Okay. Dollar yen. Tentatively, let me zoom in. Okay. So from the beginning, hovering about the 20 pips here, 20 pips up, 20 pips down. Then after that, it's still there's a good chance that it should be coming down and then to set up the support before it can continue to go up further. Okay. Yeah. All right. Coming down to look out for the support, then it can continue to go further up. Okay. Yeah. Ah, ah, okay, right, yeah, okay. Guys, give me a while. Give me a little while. All right. While waiting for me, and let's see if you have any of these. Okay, any of these currency pairs that you are looking out for. Okay. All right. Over at this point here for the dollar yen. Okay, my guys is also putting in trying to iron out the issue. Huh? So bear with me, guys. I'm so sorry. All right. Okay. So over at this point here, seems like we are also trying to get this, okay, to get the support to continue the buying. Right. So at this point here, is it a good time to buy right now? I would suggest this area to buy first, because as you can see, there's level of resistance over here. I would suggest a buying right now. Okay. So unless let's say this actually comes down to set up the support into this level of 133,629, right? 133,629. Then if I'm going to buy, I think that's pretty okay. All right. Then over at this point here, but of course, this buying may not be so ideal, because there's a lot of over at this point. Once it clear this point, let's say, okay, let's say it breaks this point. Okay, let's say it breaks this point, and then set up a higher low over here to continue the buying. Okay, then I think that's pretty good, because at this point we have about 22 pips. Okay, 22 pips. With 22 pips, within these 22 pips of space here, as you can see here, not a lot of resistance. Okay, so I think there's still quite good one. Okay, over here, right? We still after a 14 pips 1-4, then we may meet up with one resistance to have a retracement, then continue to go. If it breaks, okay, then I think that will be so much better. Okay, so currently by looking into other time frames, let me see. Okay, other time frames, yeah. So I think I will suggest a wait first. Okay, yeah, this is not the right time to buy yet. Okay, yeah, not the right time to buy. I will wait for this area to break, retest. Okay, set up a buy, then we go for the buy. If you are buyers, okay, if you are buyers, all right, okay. So that it will start to go up, and it may create a Asian high over here. Then later on, after the Asian market, then probably there may be a good a better view, a better directions to see how it goes. Okay. Right. Okay, so let's see, and let's wait and see for this dollar yen. Right. So pound dollar. As for pound dollar, it looks very similar. Okay, like I said, the drop now they are reclaiming back. Okay, seems like the pound dollar is reclaiming back, and okay, so I will see that pound dollar I will be looking out more onto the buy side today. Okay, especially after it breaks this level. Okay, it is coming very soon to break this level of 124,265. Right, then buying is possible. Right, buying is quite possible over to over to a level of 124.553. Okay, so roughly we should be looking at around 25 pips there. Okay, we should be about 25 pips there. So at the moment, seems like, you know, okay, if this actually still holds as a support, then very likely it will still continue to go as a buy. All right, it will still continue to go as a buy. Okay, then after that, if that hits, if this don't hold as a support and actually close below as a resistance, well, there may be a good chance. All right, we are in the middle. We are in the middle of nowhere. All right, so from 124.265, it may still continue to drop down to 123.918. Okay, 123.918. That can be quite possible. Okay, it can be quite possible, huh? All right. Okay, so that's one. Okay, that's one for me that that's what I'm looking out for. Okay. Yeah, so all these are the key levels I'm talking about. All right, so we can pay attention to that, and then later on we can see how it goes. Then if the price actually respect our plan, then of course that will be good. Okay, that will be good, right? Hmm. Yeah. Dollar yen, huh? Okay, dollar yen. Let's take a look at dollar yen. Okay. Dollar yen. Okay. Oh yeah, looks nice. Okay, dollar yen looks good. For buyers, dollar yen looks good for buyers. Seems like one. Okay. Yeah. All right. So let's see. What happened? Uh-huh. Yeah, I don't know. But so far I think it's still working well. Yeah, okay, dollar yen. Dollar yen wise, okay. Looks like we are actually getting very close to it. Yeah, dollar yen over at this area here. Well, it seems like it's actually breaking through for the buy side. Okay, so for me, I will be waiting. Now is a breakout of this area here, of the resistance area here. So if this is going to retest back, okay, to set up a buy, yeah, buyer take note. Okay, so dollar yen is actually moving towards seems like it's moving towards our plan. I think that's quite good, right? Dollar yen is one. Yeah, and let's see. The Bitcoin, we hit 28,000. Okay, Bitcoin, we hit 28,000. Oh, looks like Bitcoin is going to push further up. Okay, never mind. Let's come back here. Right. Yep. Yes. We are now actually still looking into this area here. Let's wait. I'm going to wait for it to retest and then go for the buy. Okay, pound dollar. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar break above now. It has continued the buy. Okay, pound dollar is on the buy side now. Yeah. Yeah, so pound dollar over at this point here. 1, 2. Yeah, pound dollar is also on the buy side. Okay, it's still on the buy side. Okay. Let's for dollar yen. I'm going to wait. Okay, let me hang on. Dollar yen. Okay, I'm going to wait for it to test back into this area here. right, this whole area here, to set up a support, all right, then continue the buy. Okay, yeah, to continue the buy. Yeah, so for dollar yen, that's for dollar yen. For pound dollar also looking out for the buy side, because as I can see here, it's actually going up into 124.553, 124.553. Okay, this is one here, right? So probably if you want, okay, of course not. This is not the right time. Later on, if there's a pullback, to set up a support, okay, then we go for a buy. All right, then we go for the buy. Tentatively, no way. Okay, don't go for the buy first. Okay, so at this point here, I think should be coming soon to have some pullback. Pullback should be quite soon. I won't be going for the buy, huh? Okay, right now. I'll be waiting for it to have a pullback first. Yeah. Dollar yen is having a pullback. Okay, hang on, let me check the pound dollar first. All right, so let's say if this actually pull back, it meets up with this minor resistance over here, when it's actually to start to pull back, then if they set up another buy, yeah, then I will go for it. Okay, if not, tentatively I won't be going for it. Okay, so just hang on with that. Okay, just hang on with that. Right, dollar yen, let's see. Dollar yen seems like okay, over here there's a pullback now. Okay, if this dollar yen is going to set up a support, all right, then I see that there will be a good chance to go for about 24 to 25 pips. 24 to 25 pips here, the first stage here. Okay, first area here. All right. Yeah. Yes, that's right. Okay. This part here. Okay, let's wait and see. And currently I see that okay. Where, which part? Which area? Oh, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Pound dollar. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let me check. Pound dollar. Okay, coming into this area looks like seems like some pullback is coming. Gold TP 9 pips. Wow, that's good. Congratulations. That's nice, Caro. Okay, very good. Congratulations. Yeah. Let's see. Let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look. Well, for the pound dollar, so sorry, for the gold wise. Wow. You're on the buy side. Right. Okay. I think over here, huh? Yeah, I think this is the area here. Okay. Right. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think even more, but you are just capturing a 9 pips. I guess, all right, that's a very good way. Good. I think that the entry. Okay, that can be over at this area here, right? I see that one. This area here. Well. Let's see. Dollar yen again. Yes, dollar yen. Oh, dollar yen didn't manage to break above to set up the support. Okay. IMK, nice to see you here. What's that sound? Is it from me? Is it from my side? Okay, let's see. For this part here, okay, now the dollar yen, I want to buy the dollar yen. I want to put in a buy order, but I'm waiting for the dollar yen to set up a support. Okay, when it comes to this area, this level here of resistance, it started to swing down. I'm waiting for it to actually break out of this to set up a buy, then go. Okay, then go. Yeah, I think that should be a better choice. Okay. Tentatively doesn't seems like. Okay. Yeah. Do you have a huge wick on the time frame of dollar franc M5? Yes, I have on the opening, right? On the opening. Yes, over here. Right here. Over here. So dollar franc, yeah, over here. I guess yes, okay. I think that's one Caro is aiming, right? I think you're aiming on this, right? Okay. I guess so. Okay. Yeah. Yep. For dollar yen, let's see if dollar yen. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Hi, Danny and Rebecca. Thank you for your stream. You are most welcome. It's my pleasure. I hope you enjoy that as well. Right. So if you enjoy that, do remember to give me a thumbs up for that. I hope my live streaming helps. That's more important, huh? Okay, than my thumbs up. Okay. Yeah. Right. Just bear with me if my voice is breaking out. We're trying to fix it as soon as possible. Okay, over the weekend, huh? Yeah, and if let's say, okay, I'm still waiting for good opportunity to buy. Okay, I'm still waiting for the good opportunity to buy on the dollar yen to 133.965. Once over into this area here, there may be some turbulence. to see whether it will break up, come back on the selling side. Okay, so as of now, if I want to buy, I'm waiting for the support to come in. Okay, the buying signal to come in, green, red candle. Okay, then we will see how it goes to go for the buying. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much. Push the like button. Yes. Okay. Yep. Okay. So at the moment, yeah. At the moment, just we have to wait for a while. Okay. Right. Right. Okay. Let me see. Well, I think okay. Should we consider a selling down for the dollar yen, huh? Yeah. What is that? Selling of dollar yen, huh? If I'm going to sell dollar yen, I would like to see if there's a chance that it will break this area first. This area, okay, this one, okay, this area here, this point here. This is quite important. Okay, if this is going to break, once the price break below this area here, retest this area as a resistance, yes, then I will go for the selling. Okay, then I will go for the selling. All right. Yeah. Okay. So tentatively, we're still on the buy side. Okay, tentatively, we're still on the buy side. So I'm still waiting for a good chance to buy. Yeah. All right. I'm still waiting for a good chance to buy. Looks like the buying is actually on the way. Yeah, the buying is coming actually on the way. Okay, so just take note. Okay, just take note. All right. Looks like it's on the way. Just take note because we are about 9 minutes away from the London markets opening. Okay, yeah, seems like the support is all over here. You can see all the rejections candle here. Yeah, so now there's a chance. Red, green candle coming in. The buying signal is actually in now. All right. So we can, if it will be good if this is going to break above this area here, 133.748. All right. Then another round, then I'll be considering a buy. Okay. But if if you're on your side, if you see that there's a potential to buy right now, okay, by all means. Okay. But for me, I will still wait for it to break above this area here, retest, set out the buy, then I will go for the buy. Okay. Yeah. So that's for me. That's for me. Yeah, because this area is still a resistant area. It's still a resistant area into this part here. Okay. Yeah, it's a resistant level from this level, from this area here. So I will consider to wait for a while. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Just wait for a while. Just wait for a while. For me, I wait for a while. Okay. Yeah. So we can see that over at this point here, right? We can see at this point here. Okay. It actually breaks into the resistance. Okay, below the resistance level. Then from there, okay, from there, then it may still be testing to break the resistance. It's still not above the resistance yet. Okay, so I'm waiting for it to break the resistance. Then after that, set up the buy above the resistance as a support. Then I will go for it. Okay. Yeah. All right, pound dollar. Okay. Pound dollar. Oh, it started to buy. Yeah, I hope you guys have gotten this because the target is about 124.553. Okay, over here. Yeah. Ooh. Dollar yen is still under the resistance. Okay. Yeah, dollar yen. Let's see. Dollar yen. Yeah, still yes, it's still below the resistance here. If I'm going to buy, I'm waiting for it to break above. Now, currently for the pound dollar, looks like the pound dollar, it broke out of this area here where we plotted just now. Okay, so still be looking out to 124.553. Okay, there's still quite a good space there. It came down test into this level 5 pips away. Yeah, I think we'll still continue to move above, move up to take 124.553. Okay, 124.553. Hmm. Yeah. If I miss this entry on the pound dollar, where can I enter again? Okay, if you miss this entry on the pound dollar, where can you enter again? Same area, but this one we have two areas here. Okay, we can look out for now a little bit different now. Okay, let's see. Let me check. Huh? If should be around here. Yep. Yeah, it should be here. Okay, should be around here. 124.318. 124.318. All right. Hi, Merry Christmas. Long time no see. Nice to see you here. Thank you so much for coming back. Okay. Yeah. So this is the area 124.318. If this is actually coming back here, pull back, set up the support, then go for the buy. Okay. Dollar yen drops. Okay. Dollar yen drops. Okay. Let's see. Dollar. Oh, it drops. Okay. Well, they did not manage to break this. Okay. Didn't manage to break this. Yeah. Mm. Yes. How are you? Merry Christmas. 2 weeks. It has been about 2 weeks. Yeah. Dollar cat, dollar franc, dollar cat, huh? Oh, dollar cat looks good. Dollar cat, we have a support here. Okay, very obvious. Yeah, we are very near to the support. For dollar cat, if I'm going to sell, okay, I'm going to wait for it to break the support here, retest, then I sell. Okay, let's take a look. M5. The space is a bit too tight, now. Now we are only about 5 to 10 pips. You have about 5 pips to your meet up with one. So I prefer to wait for it to break this, retest, then we go. Okay. For dollar franc, there's some liquidity here. Looks like okay. So it's about 11 pips. All right. Oh, looks good, huh? Uh, uh, franc looks like we have 19 pips. One Okay, sorry guys. Hang on. Okay, my sound is coming back. Okay, just now I was saying dollar franc. Okay, dollar franc looks like we still have a good space down there. We have about 19 pips all the way down to 19 pips, 41 pips there. Okay, but currently if we are going to sell, we still have about 19 pips of space. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay, looks pretty good to take this area here. Okay, to take this area here. Right, so over at this point here. Okay, but we just need to find a good entry, that's all. Tentatively, we still need one resistance. The resistance has not surfaced yet. Currently, because of this, it bounced back. 1, 2, coming back here. And well, wow, this one doesn't look very easy. Dollar franc, huh? It may take a while. It may go down slowly. Okay. We have one support here. Okay, which we are only about 2 to 3 pips away, very near now. Then from there, if this able to break, we should still have about 16 pips, 1/6. Okay, so this is one of the key levels here. Okay, we have to take note. Okay, yeah. Pound dollar, yes, what is it? Pound dollar, oh yeah, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, it hits into this area here. This is the resistance over from this level. Seems like becoming a support. So will it actually breaks below to test into this area here, then bounce back again to 124,553. 124,553. Okay, so that's one. Right, dollar yen also. Yes, dollar yen. Oh, dollar yen. Okay. Dollar yen. Dollar yen. I have to shake my head, man. Okay, so if dollar yen, just now we are talking about if this is going to break above, retest this as a support, then I will looking out for 133,965. Okay, tentatively it hits on the resistance from this area here, then it started to go down. Okay, right, it started to go down. Okay, so along the way, let's see if they are looking out for some support. Okay, looking out for some support. Okay, so let's see from here. Let me take a look. No selling. Dollar yen, no selling. We are very near for a rebound soon. The rebound is coming soon. Okay, this area here. Yeah, okay. This area here. Right. Okay, so gotta be a little bit careful. Right. Okay. Well, okay, over. Yeah, probably. Okay, if that breaks, then we have to the whole. Okay, EU. Yes, let's take a look at EU. Okay, EU. Right. Oh, let's see EU. Oh, what a good climb, huh? EU. If you're looking for a buy, okay, EU, if you're looking for a buy, We are actually quite near to the resistance. This area here. Over here. Okay, there's this area here. So this area here, this may be one level that it will as a resistance here. Yeah, then from there probably there may be a chance there to go for the selling. Okay, right now if you're going for the buy, we don't have much space. Not much of a space to go. Okay, let's see. About 7 pips. You have about 7 pips. Okay, so not really that recommended. Today there's a lot of waiting. Okay, a lot of waiting. Why do I say so? First, yesterday the drop seems like today they are going to reclaim back the whole area. After reclaiming back the whole area here, are they going to sell down? Then we will need to observe. Okay, we need to monitor, right? Then because currently they are going to reclaim this whole area here, so tentatively I don't. If there's a reclamation, the buying should start earlier on. Okay, but now it's not a good time to buy. A bit too high and near to the resistance. Okay, all right. That's for the euro dollar. Okay, dollar yen again. Okay, let's take a look. Dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. We hits onto okay. Yeah, just now we were talking about dollar yen. It came down. Yeah, it hits onto this area and now it's rebounding. Okay, now it rebound into this area here. Well, this area here, dollar yen. I think dollar yen. I think is still good for the buy. Dollar yen is still good for the buy. Okay, it's still good to go for the buy. It set up the support over into this area here. If you can see, right, the support. Right, so it tested into this area here and then it rebounds back, rejected to close and the support. So at the moment, the buying is still looks like the buying is still coming. Why do I say so? Is because from here, as we can see, right, it's actually moving as a higher lows over here is still creating a higher lows to set up for the buy. Okay, so over here there's one area for the resistance. If you're looking for buying into this area here, then one resistance over in this level, we need to take note. If this is strong enough to break above, this should be the next target to go. Right, this should be the next target. 133.965. 133.965. Okay. Right. So take note of this. Okay. Now that's for the dollar yen. Yeah. Is it a good time to now? Looks like. Okay. Looks like. Yeah, it looks like it's a good time now. Good time to buy, but just that it's just that the resistance over into this level, this one, we just need to be a little bit careful with this resistance. Okay, if you are buying, all right, if you are buying, okay, yeah, right, if you are buying, okay. If you are buying, then that may be one. Okay, that may be one of the resistance. Okay. Okay. Yes. Did you take any trade yesterday? Dollar yen. Yeah, dollar yen. Yesterday, dollar yen was quite late. I think let me check. Dollar yen, one move here. After that, it came down here. Yeah, so After that, I was waiting for the pullback. Okay, so the pullback was quite high here. Yeah, but I was busy. End of the day, I actually have the entry over at this point here. Yeah, I'm looking at 133.626, I think. Yeah. Okay. Okay, over here. Yes. I took one trade only. Yeah. Euro dollar may reverse cause the DXY possible long. Okay, let's take a look. One, two, dollar index, huh? We'll talk about dollar index. Okay, dollar index. Yeah, euro dollar. Yes, let's see. Euro dollar. Euro dollar is euro dollar possible for the for the buy side. Okay, euro dollar is possible for the buy side. So, but the thing is that the thing is that we are very near to the resistance now. The thing is that we are very near to the resistance. Okay, so just now we are talking about this. Okay, if we are going to buy, we should bought it in. We should bought in earlier. But now we are very near into this area of resistance. That's one point which I see that we may not have enough space to take profit. Yeah. Okay. EU risky entry, I think have to wait. Yeah, correct. That's right. Okay. Let's wait for euro dollar. Just now we are talking about it that let's wait for it to test into 1.10170. Then we will decide whether it will break above to continue the buy. Then we will wait for another another setup for the buy. Then we will enter for the buying. If this is going to hold as a resistance, right, then we will check if there's a chance for the selling down to set up support. Okay, because currently it doesn't seem like first thing, we are very near to the resistance. If we are going to buy, we're going to hit the wall, so it's not very ideal for now to buy. Okay, so just wait first. Yeah, I think just hang on for a while. Yeah, whether it's selling or buying, I think it's quite risky now. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We can wait. Just wait for a while. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's for the euro dollar. Okay. Then our dollar. Okay. Our dollar. Yeah. Still. Wow. Seems like pound dollar is moving towards 124.553. It came down right now to set out as a support. Oh, will this be a chance for us to buy for the pound dollar? Huh? Let's see. Pound dollar is actually testing back for M30. Oh, looks like our dollar. Yeah, pound dollar is actually setting up the support now. Okay, so we still it's a very similar situation with euro dollar. We still have about 30 pips, 13 pips, 13. Okay, as for dollar CAD, just now, okay, Merry Christmas was saying, okay, we are looking for the selling for the dollar cat, but I would prefer to wait for the dollar cat to break below, right? Break below, retest, then go for the selling. Okay, yeah, break below, retest, then go for the selling. Yeah, okay, I think that would be better. Yes. Yeah, dollar yen again. Let's take a look at dollar yen. Dollar yen. Oh, dollar yen keep testing on this level, huh? Dollar yen. Looks like dollar yen is going to take this area as well. Okay, dollar yen. Okay. Dollar, it seems like dollar yen is still trying to push this level. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if this area, let me check. Dollar yen, we are here. Dollar yen. Oh. No, I think just stay away from dollar yen first. Okay. Seems like it's going to be dollar yen. I think it will still try to take the resistance here. Yeah, I guess it will still take the resistance up here. Right. It will still take the resistance up here first. Then after that, it will still be going. It will still be testing on this area. Right. This area of resistance. Okay. Yeah. Before it can, if it's going to for selling, it need a resistance. Okay. Looks like the whole area here is a good. I would still say it's still a good for buying. It will still be good for buying. Yeah, I think the buying is still there. Okay, buying is still there for the dollar yen. Yeah, still good for the buying. Check. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, dollar yen still good for the buying. Tentatively, still dollar yen has not just now it went up, tested onto the resistance into this area here, then started to slip off, and now still fall within the support area. Okay, just now we are talking about this area, right? Okay, just now I was saying, oh yeah, it will rebound into this area here. So now it's stopped here. Looks like it will still continue. Yeah, the buying I think is still ongoing. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Sorry. All right, I'm back. Okay. I'm sorry. Choke on my own saliva. My God. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 好，会 relax 一点。Okay. Yes. Oh my. What is this, man? Oh, I felt so embarrassed. I'm sorry, guys, to cough in front of you. Okay. Okay. Did you manage to grab a mask in front of yourself? Ta-da! Dollar franc. Where? Dollar franc. Let's see. Okay. Oh, dollar franc. Well done. Oh, dollar franc. Let's see. Missed that. Let's see. Dollar franc just now was here. It retraced back again. Wow, this one is good. Dollar franc. Well, we have from now. Merry Christmas. Are you there? I hope you have captured this entry. Oh, dollar franc. Dollar franc over here. Yeah, I guess we still have about 10 pips to go. About 10 to go. Yeah. The dollar index is actually suffering, right? Yeah, let's see. Oh. Okay. Wow. That is so bad. Okay. Yeah. How about dollar yen? Dollar yen. Okay. Dollar yen is going to test to break the support here. So then maybe, well, looks like, let's see. Okay. Well, if this dollar yen is going to come into this level to take this area, then there may be another round. Then probably it may start to retrace back. Yeah, let's see. Okay. Oh, dollar yen. Oh, the selling starts this way, which, what is this? This is the range. Okay. Where buying, I want to buy above there. Okay, just now we are talking about this area here. Buying, I want to buy above here. Yeah, when it comes into this range here, the selling doesn't look so appetizing. Promising, huh? Okay, so dollar yen. Yeah, okay. So if this is going to break the support over here, then dollar yen may still have a good space to sell down for another almost a 30 pips. Almost a 30 pips. Okay. Yeah. All right. Well, let's wait for a while and see how it goes. Okay. Dollar franc. Let's take a look. Dollar franc coming down nearer. Looks like it's going to clear that long wick. Carol, did you manage to capture this? I hope you managed to capture this. Okay. Okay, so that should be around, now it should be around running about 10 pips already. Around 10 pips. What about dollar yen? Let's take a look. Dollar yen. Oh, looks good also now. Yeah, I did not. I was waiting for gold. Okay, I see. All right. Okay. Never mind. But that proves your reading is correct as well. Yeah. Okay, so for the dollar yen, well, looks pretty good. One thing about dollar yen. Okay. Yeah, I wanted to buy up here after it breaks this resistance, but it did not. Then after that, it started to yeah after it meet up with this resistance, it started to go down. It stopped at the support level here. Then it breaks through the support. Now it's coming into the next support level, which is around here. This one, but this is not a very strong support anyway. Okay, so it looks like this one will be this one over here, right? It will be this one over here. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, no action taken yet, huh? No action taken yet. Yeah. As you can see, for now, the liquidity over into this area here seems like not very high. Okay. Not much. Okay. So still waiting. Yeah. Yes, will there be a chance that it takes out the low and go for the buy? Well, that's possible. That's possible. Okay, but usually when it take out the low, it will be looking out for the support over into this area here. But once again, if I'm looking into this area here, okay, each there's this area here for me to clear. Okay, let me go into this. If this is going to break this area, then it should be coming to take this area here. Okay. Then after that, then it will be then the moving up. The chances of moving up is there. Yeah. So looks like it's about 30 pips there. Yeah, about 30 pips. About 30 pips. Yeah. Unless the support able to hold, okay, then it should bounce back to look out for the resistance. Then after that, it will be good. Okay, ideal situation will be good if this support hold and the price goes up, hit on the resistance, and the resistance able to hold at 133,965. Then it swing back to take this. Then it will be better. A lot of pips to take. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So that's the ideal situation. Well, okay, so hopefully it will go that way. Hopefully it will go that way, so that on later on in the New York session, I think we will have plenty to take. Okay, yeah. So of course, I hope that will happen. But if that don't happens, then we have to act according to the movement. Okay, so tentatively, I won't be selling right now. It's because I'm very near to the support. Okay, I'm very near to the support level. So, mm, so let's see. Uh, uh, over at this point here, right? Over Oops. Seems like one of your connections. Okay. Oh man. All right, I'm back. So my voice is back, I think. Okay. Yeah, that's for the dollar yen. Let's take a look at dollar franc. Okay, some retracement. I think this is only a pullback. Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we are coming near to the support area. Okay, we are still very near to the support area. So pound dollar. Oh, congratulations, pound dollar. We have achieved our target 124,553. Okay, for pound dollar. Right. So for this one, yeah. EN and GN. Okay, so let's take a look at pound yen, pound kiwi, pound kiwi, pound kiwi. Wow, it's on the bull, reaching out for the resistance right now. Some rejections from the resistance. That's, I think I'll probably have to wait for the next hour. This entry is only a pullback. Okay, this is only a pullback. So it may be setting up a support. Yeah, very near here. Okay, so may still continue to go up about 23 pips. If this pullback come in here, we still have about 12 pips, 12 pips of space for pound kiwi. Okay, for pound kiwi. Yeah. Okay, that's for pound kiwi. All right. Yeah, it's a long trend pulling back. Yeah, if you're going to trade this, you're going against the trend. You're going against the trend. Euro Kiwi. Oh, Euro Kiwi also the same thing. Euro Kiwi, we are also on the bull. The bull is meeting up with a resistance right now. Okay, the bull is running on the resistance. Then, no, it's only a pullback. This is also a pullback. Yeah, so avoid these two. Okay, yeah, avoid these two. It's going for the buy side. It's still on the buy side. This is only a pullback to look out for support. Then it's going to push even higher. Okay, it's going to push even higher. Right. Okay, so better not. Stay away. Okay, yeah, better don't trade. Yes, that's right. Okay, yeah, all right. For euro dollar, yes, euro dollar, we managed to, now we are breaking through this area here. Just now when we say we want to buy, but we are very near, so I suggest not to. Then right now seems like there's a pullback to see. This is what I meant. Okay, there's a pullback now. If this is going to set up as a buy, then it should be continued to go for a buy. Buyers can take note. If this is going to break below the resistance, retest and form a lower highs there, selling is coming to take back, okay, to reclaim back this area here. So as of now, let's say this area here, it will become a selling for the euro dollar. Okay, it will become a selling of the euro dollar, which will be looking at about 29 to 30 pips. 29 to 30 pips. Okay, that's for the euro dollar. Let me repeat again. Number one, if this is going to stop here, the resistance to become a support, then it will go for the buy. Okay, it's set out for the buy. Yes, the buy will continue. The bull will still continue running. If this is going to break below, retest this as a lower resistance, a lower high, selling may be coming. Okay, selling may be coming. Okay, so pound dollar. Pound dollar, similarly. Okay, now it breaks through, but seems like it's coming back below as a resistance. So this area, same thing, if you're going to retest and come back here for the selling, but the support is very near. Okay, the support is very near. It's about 15 pips away. 15. Okay. So this one also can take note. But if you are going to do a scalping within this area, I think it's still quite okay. I think that's still quite okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah. If you are good at scalping for this. Okay. For dollar CAD, let's take a look. Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD. Oh, it has been supported over here. It's not breaking yet. So Merry Christmas. Please don't sell yet. Okay. Then dollar franc. Dollar franc seems like dollar franc has taken out this liquidity over here, right? So over at this point here, now it's forming our support, is moving towards to look for a resistance. As for dollar yen seems like there's some rejections here from the support. Okay, so let's see. These rejections here, will it actually, it will 133,595. 133,595. If the price able to break above 133,595, it should be looking out into this resistance level. Okay, should be looking out. So 133,595. Okay, so it's around here. So it have about 11 pips to go. Yeah, it should be pushing up for, if the price currently, if this is going to break above 133,595, then there will be a good chance that it should be pushing up into the resistance to test again. Okay, to test again on the resistance. Then we will see if there's a good chance for us to go for the buy to take this level. Then after that, move down to sell. Okay, yeah, right. So at the moment, by looking into this area here, seems like, because we are very near to the supports now. No selling. But we are still in this very, very torturing range. Okay, we are still in the very torturing range here. So not advisable. I'm just quoting out some of the possible moves that we are expecting. Okay, we are expecting to see. If this is going to break 133,595, it may go up to test on the resistance. Okay, if they break the resistance, it may go up to test on the higher resistance over here, right? Okay, so if now it's going to test onto the support over here, okay, into this area here, then there may be a good chance that it's taking out the lows, right? Then after that, then maybe going up to take the highs there, then it will swing back again. It's possible that way. Okay, yeah, so let's see how it moves. Anyway, dollar yen looks very, very torturing. It looks like it's going to move within this area for quite a while. Okay, that's what I see. Okay, that's what I see, huh? All right, that's what I see. So seems like it's can't tell right now, because I'm expecting to see some consolidation over here. Okay, if some consolidation over here, then there may be a good chance for it to go up to test onto the resistance, right? Okay. What about the gold? Let's take a look. Is there any good thing out there? The gold selling off now. Some selling off. Oh, there's one gold, 1999. 1999 over here. Looks like it's looking for the support over into this area. Go, huh? 1991. Yeah, there's one level here, 1991, I think. Yeah, no ranging. No, ranging, no direction at all. Yeah. It looks very to me it looks very similar to the dollar yen. You know, it looks very similar to the dollar yen. Yeah. Dollar yen also looks almost the same, you know, for now. Dollar yen seems like it's also ranging into this area here. You know, this whole area. It looks so. Oh, if I'm going to trade dollar yen, I will be falling asleep. I'll be falling asleep, man, guys. Yeah. All right. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Now we are hitting on the support already. Okay, we're hitting on the support. To see this dollar yen is going to test back onto the resistance up there. Okay, so let me 133.965. Okay, 133.965. Yeah, we are very near to 133.595. Just now we are talking about 133.595. If this price is going to break 133.595, then it should be continue to go up to test into the resistance around here. Okay, should be here. Okay, then after that it breaks this, the buying, I think quite highly possible to grab this area, of 20 pips there. Okay, yeah, all right. Yeah, let's see, because I'm not going to take any buying trade right now, although it's on the support, it's from the support. Okay, but the situation seems like the situation don't allows me to go for the buy right now. Okay, because as you can see, just now I was saying this. Okay, if you see this, it looks like the whole area here is like, it's very low, and the liquidity seems like very low, and it's not moving in a very clear directions. Yeah, for me, I don't see any directions. Okay, I don't see any directions there at the moment. Okay, do you see anything? Would you like to share with me? Okay, if you see something on the dollar yen, yeah, do share with me. I will be much more much appreciate that. Okay. Yeah. 133.595. Okay. Our dollar should be falling now. Okay. Our dollar, yeah, it should be looking out for this area 124.392. Euro dollar. Let's take a look. Euro dollar. Euro dollar stop into at this level to see if this is going to set up for the buy, or it will breaks below to go on the selling, which we have just now. We are talking about 30 pips, right? 30 pips, right? 30 pips. Yeah, about 30 pips. Okay. Yeah, it should be about 30 pips. And pound yen is moving towards the north to reclaim. Yeah, to reclaim back some losses. As looks like Short-term buy, I would say. Short-term. Okay, short-term buy. Okay, yeah. Well, looks like I'm back. Come on, give me my frequency. Okay. Well, I'm back. Okay. I'm not sure why some others can hear me, but I don't know why. Okay. Anyway, that's how I was saying that the hits on the supports here. It seems like they are still trying to get the low here. They are still trying to get the Asian low, but seems like it's not getting it. Then if the price continue to go to take the highs, the Asian high, then I'll be hoping to see that the price should be knocking out into the resistance. Then we will come back to take. Then we'll have a very big space to trade. Okay, a very big space for the selling. Okay, yeah, I think that will be a one good one. Okay, that's one. Okay, a good one to take. Yeah. Then let's see because this green candle doesn't mean anything yet. It's just that it shows that the support is there only. That's all. All right. Will it actually come back to retest the support once again? We don't know. Okay, but probably it may be looking out for a resistance first. Okay, it may still be looking out for a resistance. Not there yet. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, hang on first. Yeah. We are still inside this range. Is so torturing. Okay. 它走不上去，走不下来，你知道吗？Okay, yeah. Dollar franc. Let's take a look at dollar franc. Okay, dollar franc. It went back after clearing this liquidity here. Then dollar CAD. Okay, also hit on the support. Now it's retracing upwards, right? Then dollar yen is hitting on the support. It's not retracing upwards like the dollar CAD and dollar franc. Okay, so how about pound dollar? Pound dollar, yeah, is coming down now. Seems like this pound dollar is still looking for support, huh? Yeah. Okay. Euro dollar, let's take a look. Euro dollar. Well, euro dollar, euro dollars, it breaks below. Well, waiting for the retesting into the resistance or lower highs to create a selling opportunity. I think the selling will still come. Okay, the selling will still come. All right. Yeah. Okay. Dollar yen again. I think. Oh yeah, it come back. Yeah. Nah, like I say. Yeah, like I say. Okay. It's not. It's still trying to build a support in this area here. Yeah, seems like it's consolidating here. Accumulation. Seems like the accumulation starts here, huh? Okay. If this is going to continue this way into this range, into 133.483 around here, okay, seems like the accumulation starts here. Then it may shoot up later on. Okay. Yeah, it may shoot up. Yeah, but let's see. We are in the range. I cannot comment too much. Okay. Since we are in the range, yeah, it seems like, I want to go for buying. It cannot go for buy. I want to go for selling. It doesn't come along. Yeah. Okay. No, wait first. Yeah, you see, it's taking out the lows there. Okay, it's trying to take the low. Yeah. Will will it set up a support anyway here? In any case, it may set up a support, then it may go up. It may break either way. So it's very difficult for us to make a decision, am I right? It may, okay, you see, what I meant is that it may comes in here, set up a support, it may go up, correct? All right, it may break this support and continue to sell, or continue to sell down. So either way, at this point here, to enter at this point here is either way. So don't enter a point where it is either way. Alright. Okay. Especially with this now with this selling over here. Okay, from the buying here is taking out this whole area here. Yeah. So let's stay put first. Stay put. Alright. It's not advisable. It's not that clear like it's not as clear like pound dollar. Okay, it went up. If this is going to retest, then it's going to sell down, then okay, it's very clear. Correct? It's very clear. But for dollar yen, it is not that clear. So it can be either way. So either way is also not beneficial. Yeah, am I right? Okay, so better not to. You get what I mean? All right. Yeah. Yes, we are about 7 minutes away. Okay, so yeah, tentatively I will be going on live streaming for 2 hours for now. Okay. Yeah, let me warm up first. Then I'll probably be going on a longer one. Okay. Then yeah, for now, let's say okay, just now I was saying my target is still here. 133,194. 133,194. Let's say if this is going to break below, okay, then let's look out for a chance to sell down to 133,194. That will be one level that I'm looking out for. Okay, 133,194. Right. So we have about 20 over pips to go. Okay. Yeah, that will pace off your patience. All right. If it is not breaking, then let's hope that it goes up all the way to 133,965, and hopefully the resistance holds, and it comes back all the way down. Okay, it comes back all the way down from this level all the way down to 133,194, which we have about 75 pips. It will be marvelous. Okay. Of course, this will be the ideal situation. That will be the ideal situation. All right. Okay. Yeah. Yes. That will be an ideal situation. Right. Of course, it may also swing down all the way for now. It may. Okay. Then we will see whether it will break through this 133,483. Okay. Yeah. You're most welcome, Danny. Right, Danny and Rebecca. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Okay. Yeah. So just bear in mind for my plan for the dollar yen. All right. Okay. So there's one plan there. So once we have the plan, just follow the plan. Wait for it to happen. Okay. Then we will look for the entry point. Okay, we'll wait for the trigger come, then we enter for the trade. Right? Yeah. Okay. Yes. For now, did you check out the lows there? Looks like it hasn't. Okay. Looks like I still have a bit to go. Ooh, about 4 pips. Okay. How about let's move up first? Don't take the low first. Let's take the high first. Then we have good chance for the selling. Okay, that will be a good chance for the seller, especially people like me. Okay, that's one. Okay. Well, we have about 3 minutes to go. Okay, 3 minutes to go. Then the next hour is going to close. Yeah. Asian market is going to close. Then later on, we can see how it goes. Yeah. Okay. The low has been taken out. Let's see if there is going to push for more. Okay. Seems like it's breaking down. Okay. Our chance looks like this selling plan to take out the area is coming soon. Okay. Take out this low. Will there be any continuity of selling? 194. Looks like it's breaking out here, over here. Oh my man. Oh my man. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, I hope I'm back. Yeah. Let's see how's the H1 going to react. Okay, after looks like the selling is coming soon also. Yeah. Okay, guys. So let's wait. I think we have successfully break through. Okay, so this area here, then I'll be looking out for 133, 194. Okay, 133, 194 is quite possible now. All right. So wait for the retesting and another round of selling. Then we can go for the selling there. All right. Okay. So guys, I shall see you tomorrow. Okay, at the same time. All right, same channel. Okay. Then I shall wish you good luck in your trading with bountiful profits. Right. So this is everything from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much. See you. The mic is not working so well, huh? So I better leave now. Okay, thank you guys. See you and good luck to you. Okay. Yeah. Take note about 133. Okay. 133. 194. 133, 194. That may be a possible one. Okay. Over here. Right. See you again.